I'm gonna lay on the ground. You gotta bunny hop me.
Someone out there could find a babysitter, and Karen and Bailey's only night they could go.
Bunny hop you okay?
I don't know.
I just gotta make sure I'm up.
Alright. Here we go.
Oh.
That scared me so bad. I was like, it hit me.
He's gonna get brave and stand on it and go down the hill. Crash.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I tell you what. Go on your bike and just do it like this. Just do it like that. Just do it like that. We'll bunny hop. You're not gonna move, are you? You can't move.
You gotta be really still.
What's he gonna do to me?
He's gonna bunny hop you.
Why?
Just stay still. Casey, video this.
Don't move.
I chicken! That scares me so much! I don't like it!
High five on that one.
Oh, he's so cute! God, I love you!